Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Welcome back to online classes. Today is Thursday, 8th April 2021. It's your maths period and today our topic is multiplication. Open page number 56 of countdown. Students, open your countdown books. Open page number 56. Our topic is multiplication. First of all, write here classwork and short date. Short date is 8th April 2021. Question number 1. Complete the sums. Say the tables to help you. Look at this A part. Its 5 2s are 10. 5 2 times are 10. Next B part is 8 3s are 24. So we write here 2 in the tens box and 4 in the ones box. It's 24. 8 3 times are 24 or 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24 or 3 8s are 24. Now look at C part. It's 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So we write 2 in the tens box and 0 in the ones box. It's 20. 5 4s are 20 or 4 5s are 20. Now look at D part. It's 3 3s are. Read the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. And 3 3s are 9. It's 3 3s are 9. So we write 9 in the ones box. 3 3s are 9. Now look at E part. It's 10 5s are 20. 50. 10 5s are 50. When we multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0. 5 0 0. 5 1s are 5. So 10 5s are 50 and 5 10s are 50. Now look at F part. 9 2s are 18. It's 9 2s are 18 or 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Now look at next part. It's 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Now look at H part. It's 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30 or 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Look at next part. It's 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. And 4 6 are also 24. 4 6 are 24. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. And 3 7s are 21. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. And 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Next is 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Now 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27 and 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Now next look at this. It's 10 4s are, or when we multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0. So we write here 0 4 0 0 and 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4 and 10 4s are 40. 10 4s are 40. Next is 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45 and 5 9s are also 45. 5 9s are also 45. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 and 2 7s are also 14. 2 7s are 14. Now open page number 57. Let us multiply 6. Look at this. Count in 6 and fill in the missing numbers. Here we have a part. It's 0. And when we add 6 in 0, answer will be 0. 6. Answer will be 6. Now look at this. 6 1 times is 6 and 6 2 times are 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Now 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Read the table of 6. Now 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, and 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. Now look at this, 6 is 24. 6 fours are 24. Look at this, 6 fours are 24. 6 4 times are 24. Now 6 fives are 30. Next comes 30. 6 fives are 30. 6 6 are 36. Look at this, 6 6 are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. And 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. Now look at C part. It's 12. 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18. 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18. So we write here 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. Now look at question number 2. Color the squares counting in 6. You have to read table of 6 and color the boxes. Look at this. It's 1 times 6 is 6. 6 2 times are 12. 6 3 times are 18. 6 fours are 20. 6 fives are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. And you have to count and skip 6 boxes and color each box. So students, this is all for today. I hope you will understand it. You will solve page number 56 and 57 of countdown. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.